Hey guys, continuing to work through some of the problems that were missed on the 5152 quiz. This one is we're looking at number 6. It asked you to find, it gave you a polynomial and asked you to find the zeros of that polynomial. All right, so we got y equals x cubed minus 3x squared plus 2x. So we're trying to find the zeros of that. So again, basically we're trying to find the values of x that are going to give us an output of 0. And so I want to look to see if I can factor that right-hand side. And the first thing I notice is that I can factor out an x or undistribute an x. So I'm going to do that. And then that's going to give me, let's see, x times what would give me x cubed? That would be x squared. X times what would give me 3x squared? That would be 3x. And then x times what would give me 2x? That would give me 2. All right, so that's the first factoring that I do. So I've got x times the quantity x squared minus 3x plus 2. And I still want to find out where those equal 0. And now I've got a quadratic here. And so I'm looking for, and then the good news is my coefficient of x squared is just 1. So that means we can just look for factors of 2 that add up to -3. And in this case, that would be -2 and -1. All right. Again, -2 times -1 would give me +2, and -2 plus -1 would give me -3. And now I can use that zero product property. All right. Now that I've got it completely factored, I'm multiplying 3 different things and getting 0. So the only way that can happen is if one of these 3 things is 0. So either x equals 0, x minus 2 equals 0, or x minus 1 equals 0. That one's already solved for me, and the other 2 are one-step equations that I can solve. So x equals 2 and x equals 1. Those are my 3 zeros for this polynomial function. Those are the 3 values of x that if I plug them in there, I get an output of 0. All right, and again, I found that by factoring, first by taking out a common, and then factoring a trinomial like we've done in the past, and then using that zero product property.